It's almost Black Friday, and let me tell you, there are two crazy deals from AEJuice right now. It's the I Want It All bundle, which I have been using for a few years now, and it's simply fantastic because it includes over 70 packs with thousands of animation and effects. I'm talking seamless transitions, film textures, VHS effects, old Film Constructor, which I will show you how to use in a second, neon glitches, light swipes, transitions. I can go on and on and on, but I won't be able to cover everything in this video, so I will show you some of my favorite packs and I'll show you how to use them and what you can do with them in Premiere Pro. I mean, you can use them for every editing software, but in my case, I'm using Premiere Pro. So to get a Black Friday deal, it's 99% off right now on the website for everybody. But with a discounted price already, you can get an additional 10% off on every product using my code PTR10. And all the links down below are my affiliate links. So if you purchase through them, there is no additional cost to you and it helps support the channel. Also, the other crazy deal, it's called the Black Friday Mega Bundle, which includes the I Want It All bundle, the Film VFX bundle, and the Trion Digital bundle, which will save you more than $9,000, and it's available only now. So go check it out, and yeah, if you like it, go for it because it's no brainer. Right, so the first thing you need to do is to install the AEJuice Pack Manager, and to do that, I'll leave a link below so you can go and download the free starter pack, which will give you a nice freebies. You know, in case you're not quite sure that you want to buy it yet, you can just test it out and then decide whether you want to buy it or not. Right, now when you install the panel, you can go up to Window, Extension, and AEJuice Pack Manager, and this lovely window will pop up in front of you. And the cool thing about this is that AEJuice managed to make possible this window to be docked anywhere in Premiere Pro. And now if you scroll down, you can see all the packs that you have purchased with this bundle. And let's say that you want to download one of the bundles. Let's go to a bundle I haven't downloaded. So for example, if I want to download the Slides Weddings pack, I can click on this cloud icon and this will start automatically downloading the pack. Sometimes it might take a few seconds, but sometimes it might take a few minutes. And talking about downloading, you can go up to this little icon, which is your account, and go to settings. And now from the general, you can go to the storage and change the location to your liking. Also, if you go down to the language, you can choose some of those languages. For example, if you're not comfortable with English and your native language is Dutch or Spanish or Russian, we can go for it, and I think this will make your life much easier. Let's go back to this account. From here you can go down to log out and log in, which is self-explanatory. You can log in and log out from there. Now going back to the packs, we download the Slides Wedding pack. When you select any of these folders, you can see a preview of it, which is pretty cool. And if you go down there, you can play around with this slide. You can make them smaller or bigger. Personally, I prefer them bigger because you can see better what the animation looks like. And now going to one of my favorite packs, which is the seamless transitions. Now when you open this pack, you can see that you've got tons of transitions that you can use. And for example, I will use the heat transitions, and again, when you go and hover over it, you're gonna see a preview of it. So if you want to apply a transition, you can press the down key arrow onto your keyboard, and this will go to the next cut. So let's say that I want this transition over here. You can either double click on it or just click import, and this will start automatically downloading it. And once the transition has been downloaded, it will place it between both videos, and let's play it and see what it looks like. Wow, and the best thing is that it comes with a sound effects, so you don't need to go somewhere else and search for a sound effects. It's wow, that's what I like about this pack, because all the transitions come with a sound effect. So the next pack I want to show you is the old Film Constructor, which is a new pack and it's quite cool. So you can click on it, and what we're gonna find out inside is a lot of effects that you can apply to your videos. We've got dust and scratches, film assets, film burrs, few frames 16:9, film frames 9:16, that's for a vertical videos. You've got film grains, film looks, and film transitions. So let's say that I want to apply some of these film frames, which is 16:9. Let's say I want this one, so I'm gonna click on it, drag the cursor at the beginning of the video, and then I will click on import. Again, this will start automatically downloading it, and as you can see under the timeline, this created a adjusting layer on top of this video, which is as the same length of the video, which is quite cool. It does it automatically and you don't need to do anything, and it looks quite nice. But also what we can do, we can apply these film assets, and this one, the first one, looks quite cool. Select the one you want and click import, and this time it will download it again, and as you can see, it works. It's miracles, it does it automatically. And when I play it now, it looks great, but we are missing something. We miss this old film look, and to do that, I'll go down to film looks, and from here I'm gonna select the code look and import. And once downloaded, this will encode it into the video. Sometimes it might take more than a few seconds, it might take a minute, it depends how long is your video. Now when this is done, it will create another layer on top of the other layers. As you can see, if you want to change the settings, you can go up to window, then we can go to essential graphics, and from here, once you select the code look layer, you can change some of the values. For example, if you don't like the blurriness, we can decrease the blurriness to, let's say, 6, and as you can see, it looks perfect. So I'll play it again. And just like that, you can create these old film effects, which is perfect if you want to create some historical event videos, or if you want to create a documentary video, so you can use it for your social medias and it will look perfect. So the next pack I want to show you is the digital Screen Constructor pack, and when you click on it, we've got all these motion graphic templates that are fully customizable to your liking, and we've got buttons, we've got headlines with media, where you can replace the media with your own media like photos or videos. We've got main screen, photos, search, sites, text, Twitter, UI elements. And let's say that I want to use the headlines. I'll go and pick up this motion graphic template and click on import. Now when the layer is onto the timeline, you can click on it, go to essential graphics panel, and from here you can customize it to your liking. And let's say that I want to change the "don't get fooled by these new fake news", so I'll change it to "please subscribe to my channel". So when I play it now, we've got this nice headline which is say "please subscribe to my channel". So yeah guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, I wouldn't mind if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And the last pack from the I Want It All bundle, it's the VHS pack, which I will show you in After Effects because I find it a little bit easier to use it over there. So let's go to After Effects and show you how to do it. So in After Effects, I've got the VHS pack already open, and what we've got here is a camera interface. We've got distortion, we've got poses, we've got play, special effects, tape functions, tape glitches, text titles, VHS looks, 40 of them, so many, and we've got zooms as well. So let's say that I want to use the distortion folder, and from the preview you can see how cool it looks. I think I'll use this one, so I'll simply grab it and drop it over the video, and this will download the layer. So now we've got the effect already onto the timeline, and when I play it, you can see that affects the video itself, and it looks pretty amazing, to be honest. But still, it doesn't look like a old VHS tape. So to achieve that look, what we can do is go back to camera interface, and let's say that I want this one again, drag and drop it. Just gonna move the layer at the beginning, and what I would do is just drag the camera interface below the distortion, so this will have impact onto the camera interface as well. And what I mean by that is that when I play it, you can see it looks really nice. Also, what we can do, we can change the text onto the camera interface. We can click twice onto the composition, and this will open this window here, and from here you can select the text you want to change, click twice on it. So I'm just gonna change the date, which is 11/15/23. Then I'll click anywhere, then go back to the main composition, and as you can see, the date changed. Also, what else I want to apply, I will go to the VHS looks, and what look should I apply? As I said, there's so many of them. Okay, let's say I want to apply this look. I'll grab it again and drop it, and now look at this. This looks like a really old VHS tape, and you wouldn't say that this is a 4K video format. It simply looks amazing, and You can use those effects for a music videos, you can use it for YouTube channel if you've got one and if you want to apply this effect, and also for your social media. It's simply perfect. It's a great pack which I love, and if you don't have access to After Effects, you can use it in Premiere Pro. I'm using After Effects for the only reason that it's much quicker here and it doesn't lag when you play the preview. And now I will go quickly through the Black Friday Mega Bundle, and as I said, it includes the I Want It All bundle plus the Film VFX bundle, which includes the Lightning Storm pack, Plant packs, Real Clouds packs, Night Sky Aurora, Big Impact, Universal Pack, Magic packs, and yeah, plenty of packs. It will give you plenty of animations and motion graphics that are pretty amazing, and you can use not only in Premiere Pro but you can use in After Effects. For example, this is the Magic pack, and as you can see, this is pretty cool animations. It's just amazing, and can you imagine if you have to create this from scratch? Probably it's gonna take you hours. Let me show you the Universal pack, and as you can see, you've got asteroids, you've got black holes, which is amazing, comets, you've got galaxies, rings. Wow, it's amazing. Stars, sun, single stars, breathtaking. You've got the Big Impact, you've got explosions, nuclear bombs, shockwaves. Wow. And then the next pack is the Trillion Bundle pack, which includes lighting effects, slime effects, lens flare, magic power effects, muzzle flashes, sci-fi effects, movie special effects, and sci-fi loots. For example, let's open the magic power effects, and from the shoots you can see how cool they look like. They look like they're made for the Doctor Strange movie. Just amazing. Also, you've got a shapes, no grades, animations, you've got elements, you've got shapes, you've got symbols, you've got sparks. Let me show you another pack, the lighting effect pack. It's just crazy. The clouds look so realistic. You've got this lightning, like this guy Electro from Spider-Man. It's mind-blowing. The offer they are giving you, it's amazing, because probably nowhere else you're gonna find that kind of offer, including all these special effects that you can use for a big movie projects. And as I said, it will save you $9,000, over $9,000. Also, go and check out the I Want It All bundle, because personally that's my favorite bundle. I recommended it to everyone, and as I said earlier on, if you use the discount codes, which is PTR10, you're gonna get an additional 10% off on every product. The links are in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did so, please smash that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one, and also for more Premiere Pro tutorials.